Guys, Fortuner GRS 2025. Ito brand new, 28 kilometers. So full setup natin. So quick overview. Guwapo, 'di ba? So ito full setup. 1 hour, we're done. Make sure nakapag-reserve kayo ng parts. Reservation is just 5,000. So we'll make sure that the parts are ready. Pagdating nyo, ikakabit na lang natin para hindi na kayo mag-aantay. So here, DRL always on. Ganda, 'di ba? Naka-on yung mata niya. Projector JCL, fog light. JCL. Black garnish set. Supersonic na busina, kinabit natin. Hood logo. Napakaangas ng harap. So imagine nyo, ito yung Fortuner. Skid plate, GR, upgraded din. Pinatan natin siya. Ayan o, imagine nyo yung mga may Fortuner. Tapos for the other side, nilagyan natin siya. Sequential, plug and play, walang void of warranty. Sequential lights, nilagyan natin siya ng auto folding. So pag nilock, automatic na tutupi. Paddle light sa ilalim. Black garnish set. Black and white lang ginawa natin combination dito. Cladding niya, nilagyan natin siya GR edition. Kung nakita nyo, may GR siya. So GR edition. Rain visor, carbon fiber. Insert, GR. Yan, GR carbon fiber. Yan o, ganda, 'di ba? So black and white. Yung mga may Fortuner. Ito 'yon. Then sa likod, pakita natin. Rear seal, black liner full matting, bumper lights, sway bar, GR mudguard. Ito may ilalim, poging-pogi, guwapo. Then interior LED, in-upgrade natin siya. Door seal version 2, nilagyan natin para hindi magasgas. Noise reducer, nilagyan natin siya. Then tignan nyo yung loob. Black liner, full matting, 28 kilometers, naka-plastic, straight from casa. Ito yung loob, upgrade, carbon steering, palet. So yan o, palet carbon steering. Ultra HD, screen on. Diba? With voice command. Carbon shifter. Ito yung interior, napakagwapo. So hindi siya for budget meal. This is premium setup with voice command. Installation nito 1 hour lang. So 1 hour we're done. Ito yan oh. Kita mo, full black liner, linis, 'di ba? Linis. Yung loob, camera, ang ganda ng interior. Carbon steering, forged carbon. Ito yan. So 1 hour we're done. Send us a message. We'll book your schedule here. Ito yung isa sa mga pinakagwapo nating setup ng mga GR. Ito yung sagad na GR. So gwapo tong setup na to. Thank you!